Hello, welcome back to Cooking Matters. In today's video, I'm going to make Filipino dessert called Bango. So let's get started. Bango is a sweet and creamy dessert made with tapioca pearl, coconut jelly, and fresh mango. We can use sago instead of tapioca pearls. Only thing we need to cook in this recipe is tapioca pearl or sogo. Both tapioca pearl and sogo can be cooked in same way. Here I am adding washed sogo into boiling water, stir and bring back to boil. And make sure to stir continuously, if not sogo will stick to the bottom. And let it cook for 10 minutes. This is how it looks like after 10 minutes. Now turn off the flame and cover the lid. Let it sit another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, sogo becomes completely translucent. We can use this sago as it is, but I like to drain and wash them under cold water. I am adding few pieces of mango and quarter cup of milk into blender jar and blend them into puree. Now all the ingredients are ready. In a bowl, combine Sogo, mango cubes, coconut jelly, mango puree, fresh milk and condensed milk. Also, I like to add a few drops of vanilla essence. Stir until well combined. Test and adjust the sweetener according to your liking. There we have it. Cover it with plastic film and refrigerate for few hours before serving. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Grab a spoon, take a big bite, and experience the explosion of tropical flavors. It's like a vacation for your taste buds. I hope you love making and tasting this mango bango as much as I did. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cooking Matters for more exciting recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me on this tropical journey. Until next time, happy cooking!